Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi and I really hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa Pink Friday recommendations. They are running crazy offers and you can save a lot of money. I have a lot of recommendations and they are really affordable, really great quality and works like charm. So I have skincare, I have hair care, I have makeup. There will be a lot of recommendations and side by side I will mention the price as well, and I will also mention what offer is going on, so it will be easier for you to decide which product you want to buy. And you can also consider this video as if I lost all of my body care, hair care, skin care and makeup, which products I will repurchase first. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the body care, and my holy grail product is this. This is from Earth Rhythm. It's their body scrub in the variant coffee and rice milk. This is how it looks like. This is so good and hassle free. Oh my god, I absolutely love this because of this packaging, and the product quality is also really great. You just need to squeeze this, apply this, rub it for a few minutes and your skin will be baby soft. They have small granules in this but they are not at all harsh. This is an extremely great product. I have used so many body scrubs but वो ऐसे टब पैकेजिंग में आते हैं और फिर इसको ऐसा हाथ से निकालना पड़ता है, and then you have to scrub it, and I have long nails so it's a hassle, but I absolutely love this packaging and product itself is really great. Right now they have an offer for buy one get one for selected product, and you can get this product for 319 rupees, which is absolute steal deal. This is a huge bottle. The amount you are getting is crazy for 319 rupees, and product quality is really great. They have three variant, but this is my most favorite variant. This also helps with tanning as well. So yeah, this is the first recommendation. Next up, I have a body lotion recommendation, and this is from Plum. It's their vanilla caramel body lotion. Absolutely in love with this. This is my second bottle. Love this in winter. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा ये. This is very soft, बहुत अच्छे से स्किन में मेल्ट हो जाता है and moisturize your skin like no one's business. This is a great moisturizer, has a great fragrance to it. I don't even remember if I have emptied any body lotion, but this I emptied like this and I immediately bought another bottle. This is so good, melts into your skin and make your skin very supple. So yeah, in love with this. If you're looking for a good body moisturizer, go for this one. This is great. Don't even look at another body lotions, okay? This is the one you should go for. Right now it is available for 333 rupees. If you are shopping for 999 rupees for Plum brand, you will get extra 5% off and you will get so many freebies as well. Let's move on to hair care now, and the first recommendation is from Plum. It's their Plum Coconut and Peptide Strength and Shine shampoo. This is how it looks like. I have talked about this so many times. This is a great shampoo. If you're facing breakage issue, this is you should go for. This will strengthen your hair and you will see a visible difference in your hair. So this is a great shampoo. Smells amazing. This will clean your scalp like no one's business, but this will not dry out your scalp. This will also moisturize your scalp. So this is a great product. This right now you can get it for 286 rupees and I feel it's a steal deal. This is a great shampoo. I absolutely in love with this. I have emptied one. I have already have a backup and I am currently using this shampoo. So yeah, this is an holy grail for me. Next up, I have a recommendation for leave-in conditioner. I'm not a big fan of leave-in conditioner. I prefer serums, but this has changed my thoughts about leave-in conditioner. This is from Bare Anatomy and this is their curl intensifying leave-in conditioner. My hair texture is absurd. Like, they are not even wavy, they are not even curly, they are not even straight. It's like they have their own mind, okay? But this, oh my god, this gives a good definition, and in this humid weather, oh my god, I absolutely love this. My hair looks shinier, fuller and so much silkier. And also this is very affordable. This you can get for 301 rupees only, and I think it's a steal deal. You get a lot of product. First of all, you can use this for styling as well as taming the flyaways, so it will be a great product in this weather. So this is the leave-in conditioner currently I am in love with. Let's talk about some hair growth. I am in love with Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. Everyone is talking about this. This is very viral, very hype. And guys, this was the hype. इन लव विद दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एप्लीकेशन इज वेरी वेरी कन्वीनियंट. बहुत इजीली आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो आपके स्कैल्प पे. आई डू नॉट यूज इट एवरी सिंगल डे. आई यूज दिस फॉर 3 times a week or something like that, but this does not makes your hair oily. This actually works. I can see a lot of flyaways on my scalp. So yeah, this definitely works. Okay, I have never ever seen a single negative review about this, and for me this has worked like a magic. So yeah, absolutely in love with this. This definitely helps to regrow your hair. So if you're suffering from balding or you want some extra hair growth, you're seeing some bald patches, go for this one. This will not disappoint you. Currently this is on flash sale. This actually retails for 999, but you can get this for 669, which is a steal deal. Almost 300 रुपए का आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, which is a great. So if you're looking for a good hair growth serum, this one you should go for. Last in the hair care, but definitely not the least, I have this Minimalist Melic Bond Repair Complex. This is how it looks like, and you can see here I have actually used it a lot. In love with this serum because this is a glass bottle. I am keeping it away. I don't want to break it. So yeah, this is a great product. If you're suffering from bond issues, you should definitely give this a try. This will make your hair so much healthier. Oh my god, you will fall in love with your hair again. This is a great सीरम, बट इसको बिफोर शैम्पू एज अ ट्रीटमेंट यूज करना है. मैं बस उसको 1 घंटा लगा के रख दी हूँ एंड देन आई वॉश इट ऑफ, बट द रिजल्ट इज अमेजिंग. आई लव दिस. आई विल रीपर्चेज दिस अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल एज वेल. दिस बॉटल विल लास्ट you for 6 months. So this retails for 499 rupees, but currently they have offered this retails for 474 rupees, which is actually affordable, but this is a great price for the serum who have amazing results. So yeah, if you're suffering from hair bond issues, this one you should go for. Let's move on to skincare, and first recommendation I have is a face wash. This is from the house of Minimalist, and this is their salicylic acid face wash. If you are an OG subscriber, you know I love this face wash. I have finished bottles and bottles of this one. If you have acne issues, this one you should go for. This is very mild yet effective. This will not irritate your acne, but this will get rid of it for sure. This shows results slowly, but this is definitely effective. I always used to break out here and here, but after using this, oh my god, my life has been changed. Almost 4 सालों से मैं ये फेस वॉश यूज कर रही हूँ, and I love the effect of this face wash. Absolutely in love with this face wash. So yeah, if you are suffering from acne, this one you should go for. Next recommendation is little expensive but worth every single penny. This is Cosrx Snail Mucin. Every single time I make a favorites video or recommendation video, I make sure I include this. This is a great product. If you have inflamed skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have irritation on your skin, this is a bottle of magic. This will not irritate your skin. This will calm your skin down. This will heal your skin. So yeah, this is little expensive but worth every single penny. So yeah, if you're looking for a good serum, or if you want to see if this worth the hype, get this one and prove the hype right. This is a great product. I know there is a different discussion going on about the snail mucin and how it is extracted from the actual snails, but I have this and I'm going to use this because I'm not going to throw away. thoda sa hi bacha hai, so I'm going to use this, and after that I'm going to try actually another snail mucin, and let's see where we go with that decision. The snail mucin is retails for 1450 rupees, but currently they have offer, and this retails for 1160 rupees, which I know is expensive, but the product worth every single penny. You just need to give it a try because this huge bottle will last you for around 6-7 months, and yeah, I guess it's a great deal. Next up, I have a moisturizer recommendation, and this is from the house Dot and Key. This is their Ceramide Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. This is how it looks like. In love with this face cream. This is a great moisturizer. If you're suffering from barrier issues, run and get this one. This is extremely affordable and works like magic. If you have compromised barrier, go for this one. This will take a time, a little time, a week or two में आपको बहुत अच्छा डिफरेंस दिख जाएगा आपकी स्किन पे. But yeah, this is extremely affordable. People are comparing this with the DU Ceramide Moisturizer, which Alia Bhatt loves, but I have never used it and I'm not going to spend that much of money. But if I'm going to get the same effect of that expensive cream, I will definitely go for this one. This is currently retailing for 296 rupees, which is not even 300 rupees, 296 rupees. And also they have a lot of offers going on for Dot & Key brand, so you can check that out as well. So if you are looking for a good moisturizer and if your skin barrier is compromised, this one you should go for. Next up, I have a serum recommendation which I cannot find but I absolutely love, is the Plum Niacinamide Serum. In love with this serum. I used to love Minimalist Niacinamide Serum. I have finished bottles and bottles of that, but Plum Niacinamide Serum has won my heart, and I have a favorite niacinamide serum which is not minimalist, by the way. You can go ahead and buy a Plum Niacinamide Serum. If you are looking for niacinamide serum, go ahead and buy it. Close your eyes, just add to cart and buy it. You will not regret it. And this is very affordable as well. And plus they have 3 sizes for that serum. So you can go for the smaller one to try it out. And if you like, you can invest in bigger bottle, which is a great initiative from Plums. I always love the idea of sample size product, so that's a great deal. Right now they have offer and this retails for 493 rupees, which is their biggest bottle. So keep that in mind. If you are going for smaller bottle, it will cost less. So yeah, if you are looking for a good niacinamide serum, go for the Plum one. Okay, we are done with body care, hair care and skincare. Let's move on to our favorite part, which is makeup. I do not have a lot of recommendations, but I have some, but I'm pretty sure they are going to blow your mind. The first recommendation is this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Oh my god, look at the packaging. This is how the pencil looks like. This is so sleek and so luxurious. Oh my god, in love with this. This also has a spoolie and this has 3 shades. I am in the shade, wait, I'm in the shade gray black because I have jet black eyebrows. This is how the tape looks like. Can you see this? This is a micro precision brow pencil. Oh my god, absolutely in love with this. You can actually draw hair like strokes on your eyebrows, which will look so good. If you have thin eyebrows, go for this one. Oh my god, absolutely in love with this. They have 3 shades as I mentioned, but this retails for 329 rupees, which is again affordable. But Nykaa again have offer in this, and currently this retails for 230 rupees. Oh my god, I bought this for full price and I thought it's an affordable pencil and it's a great quality pencil. But you can grab this for 230 rupees, which is a great price. The product is $1 million product. You're not going to regret it. This is a great product. I'm pretty sure if you use this pencil for your eyebrows, you're not going to use any other thing. Like, mark my words, this is a greatest eyebrow pencil I have ever seen. Next up, I have a compact recommendation, and this is from the house Lakme. This is their Lakme Power Play Priming Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Honeydew. This is the older packaging. They have changed the packaging. In love with this compact. On no makeup days, I absolutely use this. This is how the shade looks like. This may look lighter in the pan, but this complements my skin tone. So yeah, in love with this. This retails for 625 rupees, but currently they have an offer and you can get this for 450 rupees only. I think it's a great deal for an compact, because आप कोई फाउंडेशन या फिर पाउडर फाउंडेशन लेने जाओ तो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा पड़ जाता है, almost 1000 के around, but this is a great option if you're looking for a compact. Next up, I have a blush recommendation. This is from the house Insight. It's the Super Stay Cream Blush. This is how it looks like. Right now I'm using the same blush. This is extremely pigmented, like oh my god, very pigmented, very affordable, very long lasting. The name says Super Stay and this will stay until you remove this. Okay, this is extremely long lasting, so in love with this. I have this in the shade Plum Jelly. The packaging is really cute as well. So yeah, the product is absolutely great. This blush retails for 210 rupees, but right now they have offer and this retails for only 179 rupees, which I think it's a great deal. Okay, next up I have a lip liner recommendation, and this is from the house Mars. Is their Edge of Desire lip liner. This is in the shade Cocoa Butter. This is how it looks like. This retails for only 69 rupees. Very affordable already. So run for this one. This is extremely affordable. This is extremely affordable, works like magic, like any high-end lip liner. So yeah, this is a great lip liner. I absolutely love Mars product, by the way, especially their lips product. They are so versatile. They have shade for every single skin tone. So yeah, this is the lip liner you should go for. This is extremely affordable and you will not need any other lip liner. Next up, I have a recommendation for lip gloss, and this is again from a Mars. It's their new launch. It's their Candylicious lip gloss. This is in the shade Cherry Cola. In love with this. Right now I'm using the same lip gloss, so in love with this lip gloss. This is extremely affordable. This retails for 249 rupees, but right now they have offer and this retails for 239 rupees. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा discount नहीं है, I know, but price already बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है. So yeah, this is a great lip gloss. This will actually make your lips look like glass. This is extremely great quality lip gloss. Ever since I have got this lip gloss, I'm not using any other lip gloss. Like, so yeah, this is a great lip gloss. Next up, I have a lipstick recommendation, and this is from the house Lakme. It's their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Brown Express, so I'm in love with this shade. Since I have done the short about this lipstick that has gone viral, and this retails for 399 rupees, but on sale you can grab this for 215 rupees only, which I think it's a steal deal. This is a gorgeous brown shade. This is very lightweight. This is not at all heavy on your lips. This is quite goodly long lasting. Usually I get questions like if this lipstick gonna last after eating oily food. Generally I don't eat that much of oily food, so this lasts for me for 3 to 4 hours and then I have to reapply this. But I think the formula is absolutely great. The color is to die for, and this lipstick at this price is a steal deal. Next up, I have another lipstick recommendation. This is from Fay Beauty. It's their Lip Whip, and this is in the shade Stroke. This is little expensive, not gonna lie, but worth every single penny. This retails for 659 rupees, but right now they have offer and you can grab this for 553 rupees. In love with this shade. If you're looking for true brown, this one you should go for. This is so good. This looks so stunning on every single skin tone. So yeah, in love with this shade. Little expensive, but worth every single penny. And yes, that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. I try to give you best recommendation at the best price. Everything will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Do let me know which product is in your wish list in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.